Hello friends, and once again welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I am also good. So this is day 4 of my spoken English challenge. So today I am going to talk about the very interesting topic, that is AI. You know that in the current era AI is becoming a very popular and interesting. Everyone uses AI and do the things like if you want to animate a video, you want guidelines, and you want a tutor. So all the things an AI can done, and you can do anything with the help of AI. Like if you want a study plan, you want a cricket plan, and also you want a routine. So just you send a prompt and give a prompt to the AI. It will give you all the things. And also if you want some tutor, then just you go on the AI like ChatGPT and give her prompt like I want a study plan for next 30 to 90 days. Can you suggest me as a tutor? Then it will provide you a study plan for the next 30 to 19 days. And as like a tutor, as like a mentor, I'm also using ChatGPT to enhance my speaking skills and to enhance my technical knowledge. So I'm using a ChatGPT like a tutor. I'm also given prompt like give me a 30 days spoken English challenge. So every day at the night, ChatGPT give me a topic, and on that topic, just I'm trying to speak for the 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, ChatGPT provide me a words like 5 to 10 words daily, and I try to remember that words, and next day I'm trying to use those words and implement those words in my daily life. So this is the work I am doing with the help of ChatGPT, and sometimes I use ChatGPT to find the solutions for the technical questions like whenever I'm got error and I'm can't able to solve that error, then I'm trying to give the prompt to the ChatGPT and it will give me the exact answer. Sometimes the ChatGPT is wrong, but most of the time it is giving the correct answer. And I'm also using the ChatGPT as a healthcare. If any issues came in my body, like before 10 to 15 days, I got a problem in my ear. So just I'm giving the prompt, what is the problem I have? And after that, ChatGPT suggests me some medicines and foods. Most of the time, it doesn't suggest me to take the medicines which is given by the ChatGPT. It always suggests to first consult with the doctor and after that you take the medicines. So just I'm doing the same thing. After that I take the medicine and now I'm totally fine. You can also use the chat GPT in a same way. And if you want to learn new things, like if you want to build a new skills like speaking skills and video editing skills and content creator, all the things, just you give the prompt to the chat gpt, it will suggest you how you can do and how to efficiently do that things. So this is the work I'm trying to do with the help of chat gpt or any AI tools. Thank you guys for watching the video, and sorry because I couldn't able to upload the video yesterday. And please give me the suggestion and comment below, am I doing good or not? Let's see in the next video.